back in the Play Concierge platform. We've upgraded the account to our highest tier, the Pro tier. And when you're taking advantage of this tier, it's probably because you want to attend our culminating certification training. The Play Facilitator training is a 3-day live experience that can be done both virtually and in person. We try to get cohorts of about 5 to 8 people together to really lean in and learn from each other. It's been a really fun experience to try to build little cohorts of people who are coming from different sectors and spaces and perspectives to poke holes in some of the frameworks and really help us create something that feels meaningful for everyone who's looking to use play and game-based learning. It comes with a certification curriculum, so we've created a space where you can go in and look at all of the things that are underneath this 3-day live training. It's everything from the basics of facilitating play, defining what play, games, and activities look like. It's creating session arcs and how you can make sure that when you introduce play, it doesn't land flat, but instead people understand why they're there, what they're trying to get out of it, and you can really get the most out of a session. And then some of our frameworks as well. We've created modules in this curriculum where you're using things like our iceberg framework or our pressure matrix and understanding mechanics and dynamics of games at such an elemental level that you feel confident remixing and selling that idea as your own. And so as we're scaling up this certification, we're looking at things like other tiers, game design, or train the trainer models, where we empower you to take this training curriculum to communities of your own and making it a financial revenue generator for your work. So certification is that pro tier. It's people that really want to lean into this work. They want it to be kind of their seminal thing. And with that, we're always playing with new tools. There's a lot of generative AI discussions out in the world, especially in facilitation and really any sector. And so we've been working on a GPT through OpenAI's platform where we've trained with our models and frameworks. You can go in here and play around with that. There's always a series of opinions that you could find around ChatGPT or AI. We know that it is a force that's here to stay, and we want to make sure that we're on the cutting edge and giving you tools that you can use in a meaningful way. And then finally, this is a co-creation platform. So we're trying to get and encourage folks to share any type of resource that they think would help other folks in this space and become a thought leader themselves. So if you're really interested in play and using all of its power, the pro tier is designed for you, and we want to learn from you in that process as well. So this series of videos of going from the pre to the test and free section of the platform to the premium section to the pro illustrates just the different ways that you can interact with the Play Concierge. It will be a constant work in progress. It will be growing and moving and changing. But we want to hear from you, and we hope that this can be a meaningful resource going forward.